What's up, guys? I look like a mess today, but I wanted to share our new DIY project that we have going on. I got this at Goodwill. I think it was like $5 or something like that. And I've been wanting a blanket ladder, so it's much smaller than I was hoping for, but I think it'll work just fine. And I'm just gonna paint it white, and sorry, it's super windy today. But yeah, so we're just gonna paint it white and then just slap some blankets on it. It's gonna be easy as that. Okay, so I quickly came to the realization that I do not have enough white paint for that whole ladder, which I should have realized from the beginning, but it's fine. So this is like already almost gone. So I had an idea to do an ombre color, so I don't know, we'll see how it turns out. I kind of feathered it down to see, and then I'm just going to kind of ombre it down to the gray blue that we actually used on the TV stand that we did recently. I don't really know how it's going to turn out, but we're going to give it a try, I guess. I don't know. So this is how we are doing so far. I mean, I don't think it looks bad. I think it's a pretty smooth ombre so far. I'm doing it kind of a rustic look, so the brushing is a little more harsh so you can kind of see lines and stuff. I still have to even this one out a little bit. But I mean, I think it's turning out okay. So I have all the colors done, but I decided to go back and fix the white because it just didn't do what it needed to do. So we're just gonna add some more white with a sponge this time, but this is how all of the colors turned out. Not perfect, but I'm not a painter, so we got what we got.